you have to take all the possibilities correct. So this one is the trick to solve such kind of questions. UPSC CSAT 2024. Let P, Q, R and S be distinct positive integers. Let P, Q be odd numbers and R, S be even numbers. Consider the following statement. First statement, P minus R square into QS is even. Q minus S into Q square into S is even. Q plus R ka square, P plus S is odd. I will tell you a trick to solve such kind of question. See, here it is given that P and Q is odd. P, Q is odd. I will take some values of these numbers. I will take some values of these numbers. See, I will take P equal to 5 because what we have? We have P minus R, we have Q minus S. So what will take? I will take P equal to 5 or Q equal to 3. I will take their odd values. And what I have? I have another values R and S. R and S are even. They are even numbers. I will take two even numbers. See, I will take R is equal to 4 or S equal to 2 because these two are even numbers. This statement first. Statement first. First statement says that P minus R. The value of P is 5 minus the value of R is 4 whole square into Q into S. The value of Q is 3 and the value of S is equal to, see, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, 1 whole square is equal to 1, 1 into 3 into 2 equal to 6, and 6 is an even number. So first statement is absolutely correct. If first statement is correct, then this option is wrong because this option says that only second and third statement is correct. If I take only this option can be eliminated by solving the first statement. So move to the second statement. Second statement says that Q minus S. Q minus S. Q is 3, S equal to 2. Minus S means 3 minus 2 into Q square. The value of Q is 3, 3 square into S. And what is S? S is equal to 2. See, here S is an even number. If I multiply an even number with any of the number, then the number itself will become an even number. See, here S is in the multiplication and S is an even number. This is the easiest trick to solve this question, but I am elaborating this. Why? Because in some question you will stuck. So I will tell you all the possibilities, all the way, all the tricks to solve any kind of questions. Okay? See, here S is equal, S is even. If I multiply S to any number, then I will get an even number. Here, if I multiply S to any number, I will get an even number. So this statement is also correct. Means this option you also can eliminate. Then you will see here what I have. 3 square is equal to 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Third, I am also proving this. Okay? See, okay. Q plus R whole square. Here Q equal to 3, R equal to 4. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 whole square. P plus S. P plus S. P plus S. 5 plus 4. See, what we have here. 3 plus 4 is an odd number, that is 7, and 7 whole square equal to 49 into 5 plus 4 9. If I multiply two odd numbers, then I will get an odd number. So this statement is also correct. Means this option is also wrong. Option number D will be my answer. See, 9 9 is 81, 9 4 is 36, 36 plus 8, that is 44. 44 is an odd number. See how you will solve this question in your examination. See, here S is an even number. If you multiply S to any of the number, whether it is odd or even, you will get an even number. So first and second, statement can be corrected in 5 or 10 seconds. Here I have third statement. Here q plus r. Q, see, q is odd and r is even. Q is odd and r is even. And you know that odd plus even, odd, odd plus even is equal to odd. Odd plus even is equal to odd, and even plus odd equal to odd. If you add odd number to even number, then you will get an odd number. And we have p and the square of odd number is definitely an odd number. And p plus s, we have p plus s. P is an odd number, s is an again even number, and p plus s is equal to odd number. So here we will get an odd number. Here we will get the square of an odd number. Odd into odd is odd. So all the statements are correct, and I have proved all of them by taking the numbers. So question number 26. Again, UPSC CSAT 2024. On January 1st, 2023, a person saved 1. On January 2nd, 2023, he saved rupees 2 more than that of the previous day. Means on the first day he saved 2. On the next day he saved 3. On January 3rd, 2023, he saved 2 more than that on the previous day. 5. At the end of which date was his total saving a perfect square as well a perfect cube, as well a perfect cube. So we have to tell at the end of which date was his total saving a perfect square as well as a perfect cube. See, the smallest the smallest perfect square or perfect cube we have, that is 1. See how you will write a perfect square or a perfect cube. 1 is the smallest perfect square and perfect cube. 1 is the smallest perfect square or perfect cube. It can be written as 1 square. Next perfect square or perfect cube is 64. Is 60 is 64. So how you will write? You need a perfect square and you need a perfect cube. See how we can make it. As in the options we have 7, 8, 9 or not possible conditions. See, if I take, see, 1 is on the first day, 3 on the second day, 5 on the third day. If I add them, see, there is a pattern. These are odd numbers. These are odd numbers. Odd numbers. And what is sum? Sum of odd numbers. Odd numbers is equal to n square. N is what? Number of terms. Sum of odd numbers is equal to n square. And what is n? N is the number of terms. See, here the perfect square or a perfect cube is 1. So we cannot take n square equal to 1. If I take n square equal to 1, see, I have first perfect square or perfect cube is 1. Next is 64. 64 is the perfect square and perfect cube, because I can write 64 as it is 4 square, it is 4 cube, or 8 square, or 8 is what it is. It is 4 cube or 8 square. And what is 1? It is 1 cube or 1 square. See, if I take n square equal to 1, I cannot take it, because here are 7, 8, 9, because we have some days. If I take n square is equal to 60, n square equal to 64, because here all are odd numbers, and if I add them, what I will get? Sum of all odd numbers, which is equal to n square. So n square is nothing, is equal to 60. If I take n square equal to 64, then I have n equal to 8. Means I have 8 number of days. 8 number of days. I have 8 number of days. 8 number of days. In next questions, I will tell you how to write perfect square or perfect cube. How you can write multiple numbers of perfect square or perfect cube. Because there is a questions that is based on that particular concept. See, here 64, because you know that 64 is nothing but 4 cube or 8 square. So here n is equal to 8. Means on the 8th day, his sum will become equals to 64. So on 8th of January 2023, his sum will become 64.